Welcome to Villa Ridge Estates here at Christina Court. Behind me, we have the beautiful garden home, 3 Christina Court, with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, awaiting its new owner. Come with me, let's go check it out. My name is Brandon Vincent with eXp Realty. Let's take a look at who's gonna be the new owner at this beautiful garden home. So stepping into this beautiful garden home here, and the first thing I notice is the beautiful hardwood floors throughout the majority of the main level here. These hardwood floors are in immaculate shape, okay? So as we're stepping into the living area, and I know what you're thinking, is that wallpaper on the wall? Yes, it is. It hasn't come back in style yet, but that's your opportunity to throw your own flair onto this unit once you make it your own. And what I see this being perfect for is anybody that's a first-time home buyer or somebody looking to downsize into a more simplistic style of living. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, and let's go check out those bedrooms and bathrooms right now before we get to the kitchen. So I'll take you over here where we have our bedroom number 1 with the beautiful hardwood floors continuing. And this here could be great for either spare room, kids room, or an office. Nice big closet here. Let's get a shot of that closet. There we go. Yeah. And then we'll come on this way here, and we have our laundry room right here. So its own section for a laundry room. Little cleaning closet here, tuck things away, keep things organized, which is really nice. Your own little linen closet here for all your towels. And now down this way we have our bathroom. And your main bedroom area here. So I want to show you the closet here. You have all kinds of room for king-size bed, dresser, and the massive closet you have here. And you have a nice little window overlooking the front of this unit. Now let's go check out the kitchen and the back deck, and then I'm going to show you the basement. Watch your head camera. So we have our dining area right here. You can have a nice little dining table for all your delicious meals that you're going to prepare in your very own kitchen here. So here we have lots of cabinet space here. You have a new fridge, a newer vanity here. Nice windows overlooking the backyard area. We have a stove. These units here are very reliable. They last the test of time. That's why it's still here. It still works. Now let's check out the back deck. So going outside, here we have all kinds of room for barbecuing, sitting and lounging, relaxing, and enjoying just the nice weather alongside your fellow garden homeowners. And there we have Loch Lomond Road, which is very close to any bus routes. Yeah, I probably should have gone, that's okay. Now we're gonna go downstairs. So we'll go down, take a look down here. So what I wanna tell you about downstairs is that you have the opportunity to finish this space. You have the opportunity to finish this space down here to create even more living area and square footage. So there's other units that have completed down here for extra living room. You can even have, if you wanted to have a secondary bathroom down here, that's an option. And yeah, just have more living area, more storage, but the possibilities are fairly endless. And actually one thing I do love about these garden homes here too is when you take a look at the material that they're built with, it's not built with OSB board, it's built with plywood. These are very, very solid units here. They're very solid units, which is super important. So that's one thing that I really, really do love. So if you have any questions, please make sure to reach out to me, and I would love to help you out. Okay. Okay,